This is a Showmark UniSpooler general purpose wire respooling machine. The machine is used for many types of wire. In this case, we're demonstrating winding welding wire on it. This is 0.035 inch wire we've got on here right now. The machine will measure the length of spooled wire and stop automatically at a desired length, as well as control tension and the winding pattern to produce a nice even wind. We've got on here a tensioning brake that's adjustable to set the amount of winding tension, as well as a traversing guide arm that's synchronized with the take-up spool, where you can adjust for the flange positions of the spool as well as the winding pitch right here. Looking at the control panel of the machine, this is a basic system, but it includes a length counter, which is also a length controller. You can set a desired length right there. The machine can be in auto or manual modes, and manual mode will just keep winding until you turn the speed down to stop. In auto mode, it'll stop automatically at that set point. So we're already set up. We've got the wire already attached to the new spool, which is an 8-inch, pretty standard spool for welding wire. So we'll just get her going and see how she does. Now, it's pretty typical that the first few layers on a new spool are very nicely laid down and placed. Eventually, we'll produce a gap or two, which will accumulate, and by the very end, the spool won't look quite this neat, but it'll definitely unravel or unwind with no snags or tangles. So we'll let this wind a while, or I'll watch it. We'll watch it and then pause and come back in a little bit. So far, so good. So you can see here on our counter, we're measuring in feet. So this is the third layer so far, looking pretty good. But you can see on the right side that we've got some a gap produced, which may add up to more on future layers. Maybe not, looking pretty good. Okay, we'll pause and come back.